Welcome to another episode of Sun City Taste. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. Wait for me. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be making one of our favorite dishes, which are the Discada Tacos, but with a twist, which I will show you guys in a bit. But first, we gotta get our toppings ready. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get our grill warm up for us, and we'll be back. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so for our tacos, we're gonna be adding pineapple, jicama, purple onion, radish, and cilantro with a little bit of limon. Now, these ingredients I like just because I suffer from heartburn, and with a meal that heavy, I'm gonna be dying tonight for sure. So I need something light, something refreshing, just so that I'm not hurting later on. Okay guys, let's get started. So the grill, it's already been warmed up. We're gonna put our vegetable oil. So remember that twist I was talking to you guys about? So most people use Discada, obviously, because they're Discada tacos, right? But what I like to add, and it's my secret, and now I'm gonna be giving it to you guys, is I use carne al pastor also. But I use 1 pound and 1 pound of each. So there you go. Let's go ahead and put them in. Now, I know I'm probably gonna get some hate on why I didn't make it from fresh, but hey, you know what? This is easy for me. The family likes it, and it So normally you would cook this on a disco, but since I don't have one, hey, we gotta make it work, and the flat grill works great. So don't be afraid, don't be discouraged just because you don't have something. It doesn't mean that you can't make it, because you can, trust me. minutes, and do you guys see that juice spreading out? Okay, so that's completely normal, but now what we want is to put it back inside the meat, okay? So let's go ahead and give it a little mix really quick. Now, you can always add jalapenos if you want to make it a little bit more spicy. But because I do have kids and they don't like spicy food or whatever, but they eat hot Cheetos and Takis, right? So I'm not gonna add it, just that way we can control the heat in our own tacos. Okay guys, so remember I was telling you about the jalapenos? Before I forget, you can always add more chorizo or hot dog or even sausage, just to give it a little bit more of a flavor, but that's completely up to you. So remember earlier where we had the juices or the meat all the way around? Go ahead and get a closer look. Look, they're almost gone, and this is what you want, okay? So we're just gonna let it cook a little bit longer so we can get that crispiness on the meat. But don't forget to make it a little bit more flat, not have all the meat all together, so that way it cooks even. Let's go ahead and get our tortillas ready. Remember, they're gonna cook fast, okay? We're gonna get that flavor from the discada and the pastor and your tortillas. Okay guys, let's get started. Get our tortilla. Close that one. Let's put our discada end. Just a little bit more. Okay guys, we're gonna add our jicama. Now this is a little bit of like the radish, okay, but it just has a very different flavor. It's really good. If you guys haven't tried it, you should. You can find it always at your local Mexican store. A little bit of pineapple. Now, because I added the jicama, I'm not gonna add the radish. Well, let's add it on one. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. Let's add a little bit of cilantro. Look at that beauty, guys. And just a little bit of onion, just because I'm not crazy about onion. Okay, let's add our limon. Oh, I forgot to mention earlier, guys, you can always add aguacate. Okay, guys, so de mi casa a su casa. Provecho.